Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb socket in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb socket. There are two identical light bulb sockets in the fresh food section. They are mounted at the top of the compartment behind the control panel. If there's no light in the fresh food section when the doors open, check the light bulb, and if it's good, check and replace the light bulb socket if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. The light bulbs are located on this left and the right side of this light lens. So we're going to remove the lens first. I'm going to press that button here in the middle and slide the lens back until it comes off. Next, I'm going to lock this control panel up in the top by pressing it upwards. Next, I'm going to remove this frame. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. We have 3 clips here. I'm going to open them one by one. Insert the screwdriver in here and pry it open. And go to the next one and to the third one. Now I'm going to grab the frame with both hands and slide it forward. We've got here 3 clips that goes into these 3 slots. Next step is taking out these 2 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Remove them. So we're going to free that light bulb shield. So we're going to replace this side light bulb socket. Alright, so we're going to remove these 2 wires from the socket terminals. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to pry it off. And next thing is to squeeze these 2 tabs here and we can push the socket through. I'll try if I can do it with my fingers. If not, we're going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Yep, it's went through. So we're going to take out the light bulb, turning it counterclockwise. This is the old light bulb socket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install this new light bulb socket into this shield, into the light bulb heat shield. And goes in like this. And we need to squeeze the tabs in. Use your brutal force. Alright, slide it so it will take all these openings. And now I'm going to put the wires on the terminals. So there's a wide one and a narrow one. And if you look here, we've got this is double yellow is a narrow, goes on this smaller terminal. And this one, the white and the red line, goes on to these large terminals. There you go. Now I'm going to install the light bulb. I'm going to turn it clockwise. And now we're going to install the whole assembly in the ceiling and secure it with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. I'm going to place one manually. And then I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to press that blue button and open the control panel. Now we're going to install this frame back on. We've got this 3 clips that goes into these 3 slots, and then we're going to lock the rear side of that frame. I'm going to press it in and push up. And now we're going to slide on the light lens all the way back there, and then I'm going to slide the sides and push it forward and then lock it. And now we can close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.